Grassy and a little boy running around full of joy. Throw the ball, then fetch it quick. Best of friends, that's the trick. They jump in puddles, splash and play, chasing butterflies all day, laughing loud in grassy fields. That's the kind of love they feel. Poppy wags and gives a lick. Boy says, "You're my buddy, quick." They snuggle close as stars appear. Sweetest friendship, oh so dear. Bark, bark.